Audio cables and connections are the most vital part in all sound and engineering, and the easiest session to learn. Mono and stereo are the basic terminology used for all cable connectors, thus as balance and unbalance. Mono gives the ability to hear direct playback information. Stereo gives the ability to hear all playback information. Balance and unbalance works by a cable length requirement. A longer balanced stereo cable will give you a good clear signal flow, versus a unbalanced long cable will give you a long distractive hum. On some cable connectors, you will see a method used called TS and TRS, which stands for tip and sleeve or tip, ring, and sleeve. TS gives grounds for a mono connection and TRS give grounds for a stereo connection. The primary cable connectors are RCA, the conductor speaker wire, 1/8 inch cable, 1/4 or 1/4 inch cable, XLR, banana clip, and speak-on cable. The XLR cable is one of the most versatile of all audio cable connectors. It holds the ability to transfer audio and lighting by a 3-pin method system called hot, cold, and ground. All cable connectors work by a system of in and out, or more specifically called male and female. Digital audio is transferred by two primary cables, USB, which stands for Universal Serial Bus, and Firewire. Firewire gives a faster speed than a USB audio cable.